Welcome to Beechwood Drive. Today we're going to look around this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached property here on the edge of Wibsey Village. Internally there are beautiful 3 bedrooms, dining kitchen, lounge with a wood burning fire, whilst to the outside the property also has these gorgeous gardens that have been meticulously maintained and wrap all the way around this fantastic property, giving you either beautiful outside space or amazing potential in the future to extend this beautiful property. As well as the beautiful presentation of this property, the gorgeous gardens, the 2 reception rooms and 3 bedrooms, is this double driveway to the rear. Let's take a look around. Well, there it is. Beautiful wraparound gardens, 3 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms, and a fantastic opportunity to extend the property in the future. If you'd like to view, give me a call on 01274 955 559 today.